How to perform a UTI test at home. Right here, I have urinary tract infection test strip, and you can see the test procedure on the back of box. Today I will show you how to perform a UTI test strip at home. Let's open the box. Its sealing label. There is one test in the box. This is the color chart. This is leaflet. You can see 4 parameters on the test: leukocytes, nitrite, blood, protein. The test can be used by women or men, but for women, the test should not be performed during or for 3 days after your menstrual period. Now let's take a test. Collect part of the urine in the supplied plastic cup or using a clean cup without any residual detergents. Make sure to fill up the cup with urine. Open the foil pouch and take out the test strip. Do not touch the test fields. Once opened the pouch, it is recommended to perform the test immediately. Dip the test strip in the urine sample. Press the strip and make sure that all 4 test fields are immersed for about 1 to 2 seconds. Then remove the test strip and wipe off any surplus urine against the rim of the container or with an absorbent material, e.g. a paper towel, to avoid mixing chemicals from adjacent reagent areas. Set a timer. Wait for 2 minutes. Do not read results after 3 minutes. Read the results separately for each parameter. Compare color with color chart provided. From the chart, we have negative and positive result. Compare the test strip to the color chart. This is negative result. The test field for leukocytes stayed whitish. The test field for blood stayed mustard yellow. The test field for nitrite stayed white. The test field for protein stayed yellowish. For the positive result, the test field for leukocytes has changed to purple. The test field for blood has changed to green or some green spots appear on the background. The test field for nitrite has changed to pink. The test field for protein has changed to green. So our result is negative.